In today's video, I'll show you how to create a warm cinematic opening where soft light flares sweep across the screen and reveal your video in a smooth and atmospheric way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed right at the beginning of the timeline. This effect works best as an intro, so the light movement feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Sunset Flare, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, warm flare light passes across the screen, revealing the video underneath with a calm and cinematic mood. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how fast the flare moves. Shorter duration makes the reveal brighter and punchier. Longer duration slows it down, creating a softer sunset feel. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the flare complements your music or visuals. And that's it. You've successfully added a sunset flare reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.